Welcome to Presco Junction, one of the busiest and most vibrant hotspots in the heart of Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. Whether you're new to the city or you've lived here for years, there's no denying that Presco Junction is a place that never sleeps, especially when the sun goes down. At night, this place truly comes alive. You'll find a long stretch of street food vendors from suya spots to noodles, roasted yam, grilled fish, and even local delicacies. Right beside them are bars and lounges bubbling with music and laughter. And the people? They come out in numbers. Students, workers, traders, all adding to the nightlife vibe Presco is known for. Presco Junction is also home to the famous Ebonyi State Trade Center, which has recently begun undergoing massive revitalization after being abandoned for over 2 decades. This trade center is set to become a game changer in the commercial life of Abakaliki, attracting investors, business owners, and job seekers once completed. Just around the corner, you also find the Presco campus area, filled with student lodges, hostels, and private houses. It's a well-known residential hub for students of Ebonyi State University and other nearby institutions. Because of the heavy student presence, the entire area remains very lively, both day and night. You hear music from lodges, see students buying food, renting bikes, or just hanging out. Presco Junction really feels like the beating heart of student life in Abakaliki. But here's the flip side. Living in Presco is not cheap. Due to the demand for accommodation and the central location, rent is a bit high, feeding costs are above average, and even day-to-day expenses like transportation and laundry can take a toll on your wallet. If you're planning to stay here, just know you'll be paying for the vibe too. Another major landmark is FETHA, the Federal Teaching Hospital Abakaliki, which is just a stone's throw from Presco Junction. This proximity makes Presco a strategic spot for medical students, patients, families, and hospital workers who need quick access. In all, Presco Junction is more than just a junction. It's a lifestyle, a place where commerce meets student energy, where street food meets high rent, and where nightlife dances with daily hustle. So the next time you hear someone mention Presco, just know they are talking about one of Abakaliki's most iconic and action-packed zones.